Three-stock luncheon in the spirit of tomorrow's holiday. We asked our trader to pick three stocks she's thankful for. Here with our trades, Gina Sanchez, of Chief Market Strategist and Chief Market, I don't know why it said at Lido Advisors. Gina is also a CNBC contributor. The first stock, I love this idea that we're doing stocks that we're grateful for. You're thankful for Microsoft. Why?
So Microsoft obviously is an incredibly strong company, but in particular, we launched a machine learning risk management startup with the backing of the Lido partners, and Microsoft supported us with a sponsorship in their startup program. And they've been doing this across a number of startups. These are the same kinds of startup Azure credits that they gave OpenAI when they started, and they're building up a business. And obviously, if you look at their recent earnings, that cloud growth slowed a little, but that happens to be more about sort of a constraint of what they can do. The demand is there. They're just continuing to increase their capacity, and they're making significant investments. They just bought 3 Mile Island to use nuclear to power ChatGPT. That's how serious they are about the build out. And so, the outlook is enormous. But for us in particular, as a scrappy startup and, building out our machine learning process and software, Microsoft is an enormous partner, and they're going to gain a lot of business from us over the years from it.
I'm sure there are a lot of long-term shareholders who also think that Microsoft is a stock to be thankful for. Let's talk about your next one, because this is Peloton. It's already up 54% so far this year. So investors who got in at the right time are thankful, but the ones who've been there for the longer term, maybe not as much. Why do you like and are thankful for Peloton shares, Gina?
So if you followed my view on Peloton during the entirety of the pandemic, I was actually very negative on it because it was so overvalued. Today, you could argue from a PE perspective, it still looks overvalued. However, I do think, and much of it was really about leadership and what leadership was going to do. Barry McCarthy was very effective in stemming the tide, stemming the flow of losses, and those losses have gotten smaller and smaller. And so now there's some momentum. And what we've seen is that the user base, which is still reasonably small, but it is there and very loyal, is something you can build on. And so now we have, Peter Stern, who's coming in with a breadth of experience, not only in the sort of health and active space, but also, coming from Ford and their interactive experience. And really where Peloton needs to focus is they need to focus on figuring out how to reduce their costs on the manufacturing side in order to stem that. That is the piece of the puzzle that they haven't figured out. Peter Stern has the chops to be able to figure that out and exercise a turnaround story. Now, this isn't a 1 or 2 quarter story. This is obviously a longer term story. So I think there's going to be a breather and probably another bite at this apple. But I do think that the company has at least proven that it could get past those huge, pandemic darling days, and has at least built a base of usership and, quite frankly, a very, very strong high-margin subscription product that they can build on.
Well, there's always going to be a need for exercise, so figuring out how to meet people where they are is really top on the list. Last on your list, Disney. The stock has done extremely well this year. It's up 30%, slightly outperforming the S&P 500. But I guess it's personal reasons here, Gina.
Yeah, well, so it's interesting because Peloton I love because it helps me work off what is about to happen at Thanksgiving and every day because I'm working so hard on a startup. Disney is actually a part of that Peloton story because Barry McCarthy expanded that entertainment piece. And if you look at the Disney earnings, their Disney streaming revenue on Disney Plus, which is what's now included in Peloton, that is what is a big part of what's driving their business. They had some huge blockbusters, Deadpool and Wolverine, Inside Out 2. But those actually just continue to drive streaming, streaming demand. And Disney Plus was a huge beneficiary of the success they were having on the entertainment space. And so, all of these things for me, these are things that are sort of become part of my life. I basically Peloton to Disney most of the time these days rather than Peloton classes, but that whole experience is kind of important to me.